Hey everyone, and welcome back to Roborice. If you're new here, this channel is all about navigating the future of work intelligently. We cover AI, technology trends, freelancing strategies, and the tools that help you build smarter income streams without the noise or the hype. Today, we're talking about AI tools for freelancers in 2026. And I want to be clear from the start. This isn't a list of must-have tools that will make you rich overnight. That's not how any of this works. What we're doing instead is walking through 15 tools that actually serve different freelancing roles, understanding what they're good at, where they fall short, and how to decide if they're worth your time. Because here's the reality. More tools don't equal more success. The right tools used properly do. So let's get into it. Freelancing in 2026. Freelancing has changed pretty dramatically over the last few years. If you've been in the game for a while, you've probably noticed it. Platforms are more saturated. Clients expect faster turnarounds. And the bar for what counts as professional quality keeps rising. At the same time, AI has become accessible to basically everyone. That's a double-edged sword. On one hand, you can now automate repetitive tasks, speed up research, generate drafts, and handle admin work without hiring help. On the other hand, so can everyone else, which means the competitive advantage isn't just having access to AI anymore, it's knowing how to use it without losing the human touch that clients actually pay for. AI is a support system. It's not a replacement for skill, judgment, or experience. If you treat it like a shortcut, clients will notice. If you treat it like a tool that amplifies what you're already good at, that's when it becomes valuable. So with that in mind, let's look at some tools that are worth considering, depending on what kind of freelancing you do. AI tools break down. Tool 1, ChatGPT or Claude. Let's start with the obvious one. ChatGPT and Claude are conversational AI models, and they're probably the most versatile tools on this list. They're useful for writers, marketers, consultants, really anyone who works with language. You can use them to brainstorm ideas, restructure content, draft emails, or even work through strategy questions by talking through your thoughts. Here's a realistic scenario. You're a freelance copywriter working on a product launch email sequence. You've got the tone and messaging nailed down, but you're stuck on subject lines. Instead of staring at a blank screen, you feed the AI your draft, explain the audience, and ask for 10 subject line variations. You pick 2, tweak them, and move on. 5 minutes instead of an hour. One thing to watch out for: these tools can sound generic if you're not careful. Always edit. Always add your voice back in. Clients hire you for your perspective, not for something that sounds like it came off an assembly line. Tool 2, Notion AI. Notion's been a productivity staple for years, and their AI integration makes it even more useful for freelancers who juggle multiple projects. This is ideal for people who manage client work, documentation, or internal systems. The AI can summarize meeting notes, generate task lists from long documents, or help you organize research. Let's say you're a project manager or virtual assistant handling 3 clients at once. You've got meeting notes scattered across different pages. Notion AI can pull key action items from each one and drop them into a master task list. It's not magic, but it saves you from manually combing through everything. The limitation here is that it's only as good as your setup. If your Notion workspace is messy, the AI won't fix that. You still need structure. Tool 3, Descript. Descript is an audio and video editing tool built around transcription. It's a game changer for podcasters, video editors, and anyone creating spoken content. Here's why it matters. You can edit audio by editing text. The AI transcribes everything. And when you delete a sentence in the transcript, it deletes that part of the audio. You can also remove filler words automatically, which is huge if you're cleaning up interviews or tutorials. Practical use case: you're editing a client's podcast episode. Instead of scrubbing through the timeline hunting for an or an awkward pause, you just scan the transcript, highlight the words, delete, and it's done. The catch is that the AI isn't perfect with transcription, especially with accents or technical jargon. You'll still need to proofread. Tool 4, Runway ML. Runway is a creative AI platform focused on video, image generation, and visual effects. It's built for designers, video editors, and content creators who want to experiment without needing a Hollywood budget. You can do things like background removal, motion tracking, or even generate short video clips from text prompts. It's not replacing professional editing software, but it's great for quick mock-ups or social content. Example: you're a social media manager creating Instagram Reels for a client. You need a quick background loop or an animated text effect. Instead of digging through stock footage libraries, you generate it in Runway, tweak it, and export. Be realistic about what it can do, though. AI-generated video still has a certain look to it, and clients in certain industries won't want that aesthetic. Tool 5, Grammarly Premium. Grammarly's been around forever, but the premium version uses AI to go beyond grammar. It adjusts tone, suggests clarity improvements, and catches things like passive voice or wordiness. This is useful for writers, marketers, or anyone sending client-facing communication. It's basically a second set of eyes before you hit send. Here's a scenario. You're a freelance grant writer, and you're drafting a proposal that needs to sound formal but approachable. Grammarly flags sentences that are too stiff or too casual and suggests revisions that hit the tone better. One thing I'd say, don't let it rewrite everything. It's a guide, not a ghostwriter. Your instincts matter more than the tool's suggestions. Tool 6, Canva Magic Studio. Canva's AI features, branded as Magic Studio, include background removal, AI image generation, and design suggestions. It's perfect for freelancers doing social media graphics, presentations, or light branding work. The strength here is speed. You can create professional-looking visuals without being a trained designer. Use case: you're a freelance consultant putting together a client pitch deck. You need custom icons and branded slides, but you're not a graphic designer. Canva's AI suggests layouts, generates icons based on keywords, and resizes everything for different formats. The downside is that if you're doing high-end brand work, clients might want something more custom. Canva is great for speed, less great for uniqueness. Tool 7, Jasper AI. Jasper is a writing assistant built specifically for marketers and content creators. It's designed to help you generate blog posts, add copy, emails, and social captions faster. It's best for people who produce high volumes of content and need to maintain consistency across campaigns. Realistic scenario: you're managing content for an e-commerce brand, and you need to write 50 product descriptions in a day. Jasper can generate drafts based on bullet points you provide. You review, tweak for brand voice, and publish. The warning here is the same as with any AI writer. It's a starting point, not a finished product. If you publish raw AI output, it'll sound like everyone else's raw AI output. Tool 8, Otter.ai. Otter is a transcription tool that records and transcribes meetings, interviews, and calls in real time. It's a lifesaver for consultants, coaches, researchers, or anyone who needs accurate notes without manually typing. You can also search transcripts by keyword, which makes it easy to find specific moments in long conversations. Example: you're a UX researcher conducting user interviews. You're focused on listening and asking follow-up questions, not taking notes. Otter records everything, transcribes it, and later, you can search the transcript for keywords like frustration or checkout process to pull insights. Just be mindful. Always let people know they're being recorded. It's not just polite, it's often legally required. Tool 9, Loom AI. Loom is a screen recording tool, and the AI features help with transcription, chapter generation, and summarization. It's great for freelancers who need to explain things visually, designers, developers, tutors, or client-facing consultants. Instead of writing long emails explaining feedback or how something works, you record a quick Loom video and send the link. Scenario: you're a web developer and a client asks why a certain feature isn't working. Instead of back-and-forth emails, you record a 2-minute Loom showing the issue, explaining the fix, and walking through next steps. The AI generates a transcript and timestamps so they can jump to the relevant part. The limitation is that some clients prefer written documentation, so know your audience. Tool 10, Copy.ai. Copy.ai is another AI writing tool similar to Jasper, but with a focus on short-form content like social posts, ad headlines, and email subject lines. It's useful for marketers, copywriters, and small business owners managing their own content. Let's say you're a freelance social media manager running campaigns for 3 different clients. You need 20 Instagram captions by end of day. Copy.ai helps you generate variations quickly, and you customize them to match each brand's voice. Again, the caution is over-reliance. If every caption sounds the same, your audience will tune out. Tool 11, Midjourney. Midjourney is an AI image generator that creates visuals from text prompts. It's popular with designers, marketers, and content creators who need custom imagery. It's especially useful when stock photos don't fit or when you need concept art quickly. Example, you're a freelance book cover designer working on a fantasy novel. The client wants something specific, an ethereal forest with glowing mushrooms. Instead of hiring a digital artist or settling for stock images, you generate concepts in Midjourney, refine the best one, and use it as a base. Keep in mind, AI art has style limitations, and some clients or platforms have restrictions on AI-generated content. Check before you commit. Tool 12, Zapier with AI features. Zapier connects apps and automates workflows. The newer AI features let you build smarter automations without needing to code. This is perfect for freelancers managing repetitive admin tasks, invoicing, email sorting, CRM updates, social scheduling. Scenario: you're a freelance consultant. Every time you book a discovery call, you want the lead's info added to your CRM, a calendar invite sent, and a follow-up email scheduled. Zapier's AI helps you build that workflow in minutes. The challenge is setup time. You need to invest a few hours up front, but once it's running, it saves you hours every week. Tool 13, HubSpot AI Tools. HubSpot's CRM now includes AI writing assistants, email personalization, and campaign insights. It's built for freelancers doing sales, marketing, or client relationship management. If you're managing outreach campaigns or nurturing leads, the AI can help draft emails, suggest subject lines, and analyze what's working. Use case: you're a freelance marketing consultant running a cold email campaign for a client. HubSpot's AI analyzes open rates and suggests tweaks to improve performance. The trade-off is cost. HubSpot isn't cheap, so it's better suited for established freelancers or agencies. Tool 14, Fireflies.ai. Fireflies is another meeting assistant that joins your calls, records them, and provides transcripts and summaries. It integrates with Zoom, Teams, and Google Meet. It's great for consultants, account managers, or anyone in client-facing roles who needs to focus on the conversation instead of note-taking. Example: you're a freelance business coach on a strategy call with a client. Fireflies records everything. Afterward, you review the transcript, pull action items, and send a summary email. Privacy reminder: always disclose that the call is being recorded. Tool 15, Synthesia. Synthesia lets you create AI-generated videos with digital avatars. You type a script, choose an avatar, and it generates a video of that avatar speaking your words. This is useful for trainers, course creators, or marketers who need video content but don't want to be on camera. Scenario: you're building an online course, and you need explainer videos for each module. Instead of recording yourself or hiring a videographer, you use Synthesia to generate polished videos quickly. The limitation is authenticity. Some audiences prefer real people. Use this strategically, not as a blanket replacement for human presence. How to choose the right tools. So, 15 tools. But here's the thing: you don't need all of them. In fact, trying to use too many tools at once is one of the biggest mistakes freelancers make. If you're just starting out, focus on 1 or 2 tools that directly solve your biggest time drain. For most people, that's writing or admin work. So maybe start with ChatGPT and Zapier. Learn them well. Build them into your process. Then add more as you grow. If you're more established, think about where you're losing time or where quality is. Slipping because you're stretched thin. Maybe it's editing. Maybe it's client communication. Maybe it's content production. Pick tools that address those specific gaps. And here's a common mistake: choosing tools based on hype instead of need. Just because a tool is trending doesn't mean it fits your workflow. Test things. Give yourself a week or two to see if it actually saves time or improves output. If it doesn't, drop it. AI tools should make your life easier, not more complicated. All right, that's the breakdown. 15 AI tools that can genuinely help freelancers in 2026. Depending on what you do and where you are in your journey, the big picture here is simple. AI is a tool, not a strategy. It won't replace your skills, your judgment, or the relationships you build with clients. But when used thoughtfully, it can give you back time, help you deliver better work, and let you focus on the parts of freelancing that actually matter. Don't chase every shiny new tool that comes out. Build a small, focused toolkit that works for your process. Master it, and let the work speak for itself. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing to Rise. We're here to help you work smarter in a world that's changing fast, without the hype and without the shortcuts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching Rise. If you found value in this video, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's next. Until next time, keep learning, keep building, and keep rising.